Hello. So this is so today I'm going to be showing you how to copy an avatar from the avatar string. Now, if you don't know in worlds.com, now if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically each avatar is stored in this little code that you have. Right now I'm using Netcialist avatar. Um, Keep in mind if I have heard rumors that copying other people's avatars is actually bannable. Sometimes you can get banned for doing that. So try not to copy anyone else's avatar unless you have their permission. Um, but otherwise, go ahead. I'm gonna use. Let's see. I'm just gonna use this as an example. So now, one way you can do this is to go to the string. Now, there is one problem with this though. Now, what you can do is you can do this. Just copy it with the URL here. But the problem is, if you do that, it won't actually save your changes it just edits the models, and you'll notice this because if we save this avatar um and then reload it, it will still have our old so let's just go. Okay, it will still have our old one, and that's because it just changes the models on it. I'm gonna delete that now. And the same thing happens on the server side. Everyone else will see you using your old avatar, so you cannot do this. You can't just simply put the code into the on top of the old avatar. What you have to do, actually, you have to go to your. Now I'm on Windows XP Virtual Machine right now, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to on newer versions. You'll see like a open file location option, like on Windows 10. So just click that. If you don't have that option, click on the shortcut properties for Worlds Player. Click Find Target, and then scroll around until you see a worlds.ini file. It should look like this. What you want to do is you want to look for this string right here. It says VIP avatar, and then after the equal sign, everything after this equal sign is what your avatar string is. So you want to delete that, replace it with the string that you have, and then save this ini file. And then close out of all this, reload the game. Make sure you don't make any mistakes, or else it will default back to this weird kid. If you make any errors, the avatar won't work properly, and it'll use a default skin. Um, Let me wait for this to load. I don't know why it's taking so long. I haven't started up this virtual machine in a while, so. And as you can see, the moment we start up, we have this avatar. And if we go ahead, just to make sure that it's working, if we go ahead and save it, save that, and then replace it with another one, when we go back to load this, it will have that same avatar. So, and everyone else can see this too. So that is how you copy avatars from a URL in this game. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I share my avatar's URL? Um, Now, for one thing, you need to have Shaper enabled in order for this to work. Shaper is basically the editor that that worlds.com uses. So, and in order to get access to Shaper, you need to modify a specific value in the worlds.ini file. There will be a tutorial on that in the description, courtesy of Jimbly. But once you have Shaper enabled, you want to right click on your avatar, click Edit Properties, and you're gonna see this little gray box in the corner. And what you want to do is you want to scroll up just a little bit until you see a thing that says posable shape. I'm gonna zoom in a bit so you can see better. Um, Posable shape right here, this right here, and then you want to go to this other bots. Right, I know. Okay, this looks like a mess right now, but you see what I mean. You want to go to this other bots right here, and it's the properties menu, and you'll have a list of different things, and you want to look for one that says file URL, and you want to double click that, and then all you got to do is erase all of this. Or actually, no, that's if you were, yeah, what you want to do is you want to copy all this, and then you can share that string with anyone you want, and they will be able to copy your avatar. Um, this string is basically what determines all of your avatars, like properties and everything. So that's what you want to share with people if you want people to be able to copy your avatar. And that's pretty much about all there is to avatar sharing on worlds.com. So